आप लोग पाकिस्तान टीम को सपोर्ट करने बाकी मैचेस में भी आए थे और बड़े आज भी कॉन्फिडेंट थे, क्या लगता है कि अच्छा शो हुआ या डिसअपॉइंटेड है?
What do you think?
आप माइक दे दो, ये ले लो।
What's the question?
Were you disappointed? What do you feel about the match?
No, I think it was a really good match, and only if Pakistan played their whole 20 overs, I think they would have won. They started really well, both in the bowling and in the batting. And I think it's just the middle overs where they kind of lost it.
Yeah.
अब क्या कहते हैं पाकिस्तान टीम की परफॉर्मेंस? एक टाइम लग रहा था कि शायद मैच
बिल्कुल, the opening was amazing. I think we did a great job here. Middle order आई वो टफ होके जब आउट होना शुरू हुए हमें यही डर था एक विकेट गिर जाएगी तो फिर ये ना हो कि सीक्वेंस हो जाए. But again, I would like to say कि we did a great job at being able to reach the final. I think end में इतने कम स्कोर के लिए भी पाकिस्तान gave a very good fight. Second inning में the bowlers were trying, लेकिन आप कितना ही कर सकते हो, right? अगर स्कोर ही इतना कम है तो आप कैसे ना डिफेंड करोगे?
How do you see Haris Rauf's bowling today? He gave 50 runs in 4 overs.
I know he was a little expensive today, quite expensive. But then again, हर दिन हर bowler का दिन नहीं हो सकता, right? So I get it's a high pressure match. तो हो गया, अब it is what it is. But we respect our players. They're representing our nation. Pressure बहुत high है. आप देख ही रहे हैं स्टेडियम में क्या माहौल है. तो हो गया.
अब हारिस रऊफ का क्या करना चाहिए? हारिस रऊफ ना तो शुरू के बॉलर्स कर सकते हैं ना डेथ ओवर्स कर सकते हैं, तो हारिस रऊफ को लगता है कि अब थोड़ा रेस्ट देना चाहिए.
There were two instances where the game slipped out of Pakistan's hand, which was the run out opportunity
That Mohammad Haris missed.
and the catch by I think
Hussain
Hussain
Talat.
Talat, yeah.
So I think if Pakistan had grasped those, we would still be it would still have been a very very close game.
Yeah.
And obviously the middle order, the openers did a great job, both batting and bowling openers. But it's just like the middle and later overs. I still don't understand why Nawaz did not bowl.
Same.
He just bowled one over.
over.
He got, I think,
6 runs.
6 runs, yeah. I don't know. He was pretty good with his bowling, but he was taken off. But like I've said this before, we are amateurs. They are professionals. They come in with a strategy. They have a whole team behind them. So it's easier to say it behind the camera, but it's very difficult when you're on the ground.
अब बाबर आजम को मिस किया इस मैच में, लगता है कि
बाबर आजम और रिजवान को हर मैच में मिस करते हैं. और ये मैं अभी भी कही थी, जो मिडिल ऑर्डर में आपको स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए, आई थिंक वी आर लैकिंग दैट. आई थिंक एक्सपीरियंस की ज़रूरत है. लोग जितना भी कहना चाहें स्ट्राइक रेट हो रही है, और वो मुझे लगता है बाबर और रिजवान की टीम
अब वर्ल्ड T20 आगे का कुछ ही मंथ बाद तो
that's true. Yeah, a slower strike rate से at least run तो है.
Comparison for class, he's class.
Yeah, I agree.
So how can
तो
you keep the
अभी
class
अभी
out
अब
of
जब टीम के अंदर ऑब्वियसली अब इस परफॉर्मेंस के बाद मिडिल ऑर्डर में चेंजेस एक्सपेक्टेड है, तो आप लोग एज फैन सजेस्ट करेंगे कि बाबर और रिजवान का दोबारा कम बैक हो?
Absolutely. मैं तो I think मैं biased
And Naseem, please.
Yeah, Naseem, man, we're
And as
really
an
missing
Indian, I will
Naseem.
say you should change your captain. You should change your captain.
मैं आपसे बात करूँ.
Yeah, I think really again बाबर रिजवान की डेफिनेटली जगह है टीम में. इंशाल्लाह we hope कि वो वापस आए. देखिए यंगस्टर्स को अपॉर्चुनिटी देनी चाहिए, जो हम दे रहे हैं, which is really good. साहिबजादा फरहान, माशाल्लाह, the nation is proud of him. He's performing so well. इंडिया के खिलाफ आके सही पिटाई कर रहा है वो, तो we're very proud of him. लेकिन we need to learn कि we need to do better in the middle order, and I think अब जगह बन गई है कि रिजवान.
अच्छा, मुझे ये अपना स्टाइल भी थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा, जो आप ये दोनों करके आते हैं, ये कोई ट्रेडिशनली कुछ है, इसका कोई बैकग्राउंड है, क्या है, ये थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दें, क्योंकि ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है और आप लोग हर मैच में ये करके आते हैं, इसका क्या?
We dress up this way in every match, so
Oh, it's just a cap that I picked up with my friends on a trip. We were in Indonesia, where we got the caps over there. A bunch of other friends, and it's just. We don't intend to. We just want everyone to be happy, smiling, taking pictures, and that's about it. We didn't have any kind of strategy behind getting
Yeah.
this.
अच्छा, आपने इंडिया का भी फैन बनाया, वो पाकिस्तानी और इंडियन का फैन बनाया हुआ है. आप इंडिया से?
He's saying you have
अच्छा.
the Indian flag, because he doesn't speak Urdu.
Yeah, I have Indian and Pakistani friends all across. So we came with a bunch of our Indian friends when Pakistan won against India. So that was pretty cool. And Babar and Rizwan were the two who kind of backed it over. So I mean, I actually support cricket. It could be any team. Like I'll come to any game, but obviously India, Pakistan, all across the world, this is probably the most heated.
Rivalry, yeah.
अब पाकिस्तान आज हार गया है, इंडिया जीत गया, तो कोई आप पार्टी दे रहे हैं इनको? कोई पोस्ट मैच प्लान है?
मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि पार्टी तो बनती है, और इनको मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ कि KFC खिलाऊंगा.
देखिए सस्ती पार्टी दे रहे हैं आप.
क्या कर सकते
I think I also want to add on कि I think cricket sends a very strong message across the world. Him being an Emirati and coming in and supporting, India on one side, Pakistan on one side is a huge deal. I think we should send a positive message कि politics has a place and time, cricket is not it. right? Definitely not it. But then अगर आप करोगे तो फिर जवाब भी मिलेगा. तो ऐसा होता है. लेकिन again, I think we should send a very positive message. And him being here and representing India and Pakistan should show that you can have a neutral opinion. You come here to watch a good sport.
Thank you.